And that's what I love about Nutella brownies, because when you like give them to people, they're just like, oh yeah, cool, brownies. But then once they try them, and they're like, oh my god, Nutella. Hi guys, welcome back to another In the Kitchen with Mama Z video. Today I will be making one of my favorite holiday desserts, treats, snacks, whatever you want to call it, Nutella brownies. This is so easy to make, and I usually make it, preheat your oven. I usually make it during the holidays because it's like a crowd pleaser and it's so easy. I have everything you need to make the brownies right in front of me, and we will be sure to list all the ingredients in the description below. Step 1, you heard that beep. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And then we're gonna get started. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're gonna take your all-purpose flour and your salt, your dry ingredients. These are the only 2 dry ingredients in this recipe. You're just gonna give it a nice mix. Okay, and then you're gonna take in a larger bowl, like so. I already have my brown sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and add the eggs. You're gonna add your vanilla and a heaping cupful of Nutella. And you're gonna give that a nice mix. Okay, once that's mixed up, about a minute on a mixer, you're gonna just add your dry and your butter. Alternatively between the 2, again, mix. Do one more time. Butter. That's where the good is, guys. Oops. I'm gonna take my spatula and just make sure I got everything. I have a square baking pan here. Lined it with parchment paper. You can see I have the parchment paper hanging out on 2 sides. So I'm just gonna give that a spray. You're just gonna drop your brownie mixture into the pan. This is just gonna go into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, you know, depending on your oven. Some people's ovens are a little different, but mine is usually about 35 minutes, you know, to make sure. Just watch it. I put the timer at 35, put it in the oven. When your timer goes off, just put the little toothpick through, make sure it's ready or not. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, and we'll be back when it's ready. All right guys, so 35 minutes, and then I let it cool before I took it out of here. But I wanna show you guys, you know it's done when you poke it with your toothpick and it's clean. It's just like super, super clean. If it comes out a little wet, then obviously it's not ready. But I let it cool in the pan for about like 20-30 minutes before I transferred it on to this cutting board. It's still a little warm, but you know what? I like it warm. I like my brownies warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a nice cut so you can see what it's supposed to look like. You know, from looking at it, you wouldn't be able to notice that it's Nutella flavored. They just look like brownies. They look like regular brownies, and that's what I love about Nutella brownies, because when you like give them to people, they're just like, oh yeah, cool, brownies. But then once they try them, and they're like, oh my god, Nutella. So I'm just gonna go like that, and I'm gonna place them on this plate. And we're just gonna dust them off with some powdered sugar. Oh yeah. there you have it, guys. Nutella brownies. Perfect. They smell like Nutella, look like a brownie. This one has the crispy edges. I'm just gonna give it a try. See, for me, this tastes like the holidays. So I always make them during the holiday time. Wow, I missed you guys. Nutella brownies, that's who I'm talking to. Missed you guys. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And if there's anything else you want to see me make, leave it in the comments below. Or if you just enjoyed this video, drop a line and say hi. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.